Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Say we have a broken, damaged key switch and we need to replace it. Super simple. This is how you do it. The first step is we're going to have to remove this back panel. Now, in order to remove the back panel, we have to remove the knob from the squeegee lowering handle. Just like that. Next step, we're going to remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws holding the back panel to the machine. Next is the tricky step. What you want to do is take the handle, push it down slightly, and pull the back panel off. So now that we have the back side of the panel exposed, first thing, for the key switch, we want to unplug the harness, just like that. So now what we want to do is remove the back side of the key switch. There's a top tab and there's a bottom tab. So slightly just pull up. And slide the key switch out. Now, there is a plastic nut right here holding the key switch, the front side of the key switch to the machine. We need to take that off so we can pull the front side of the key switch off. Now that just slides right out, just like that. Now take your new key switch. To install, just reverse the steps. I've already removed the back side of this key switch, so just take the front side, slide it back down, press her in there, take the back side and clip it back in, and then tighten that plastic nut back down. Just like that. Now take the new back side of the key switch, hold your key in the off position, and put that down in there, just like that, and make sure you hear that click. Next step, all we have to do is plug the harness back in, like that. We need to reattach the back panel to the machine. Now what you want to do is make sure that all your wires are not in the way of where your screw holes are going to go. Line up the handle, push it down a little bit. There we go. And now you can free float it just like that. Get the top 2 screws started. This way you're not fighting it to line it up at the bottom if need be. Now take a larger Phillips, and we're going to tighten all these screws back down. Just like that. Last but not least, go ahead and take your squeegee knob and tighten it back down onto the lever. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.